Are you looking for the top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2023? In this video, we will look at some of the best cameras for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Fujifilm XD30 Mark IV, the best beginner camera for lens choice. Fujifilm's XD30 was already a tempting mid-range option for photography novices, but this second edition augments the offering with a handful of enhancements. You won't see these tweaks at a glance. The XD30 uses the same chassis and retro shell as its predecessor, which is no bad thing. It's an attractive design that's lovely for beginners to get to grips with. The touchscreen is still tilt-only, but it's a little sharper than before. That said, a new algorithm tracks moving subjects with greater accuracy. While it's not perfect, we found that it performs well when locked onto predictable subjects. The sensitivity of focus points has also been improved, and we found the XD30 did well to pick out details even in lower lighting. It's not worth upgrading from the original, but for first-time buyers, the XD30 is capable all-rounder with the skills to help your photography grow. At number 2. Sony ZV10, the best mirrorless video camera for beginners. A powerful vlogging tool with compact proportions, the Sony ZV10 is a fantastic video-focused hybrid for fledgling content creators. Lightweight and pocket-friendly, it works best when paired with one of Sony's many compact lenses. In testing, we found that its 24.2 MP APS-C sensor shoots sharp 4K footage and impressively detailed stills, aided by a fast 425-point autofocus system. Its hot shoe mount and audio ports offer welcome versatility when it comes to expanding your shooting setup, too. There is some rolling shutter when panning, and 4K recording tops out at 30p. But while it's not a perfect camera, a generous feature set, including plug-and-play computer connectivity for live streaming, makes the ZV10 a compelling choice for learners interested in videography. At number 3. Olympus D10 Mark IV, the best budget mirrorless camera for beginners. If you're looking for a simple, compact mirrorless camera that consistently captures attractive images, the Olympus D10 Mark IV definitely deserves a spot on your short list. Designed primarily for smartphone switchers, its ergonomic grip, approachable button layout, and handy flip-down touchscreen give it good versatility without cluttering the classically styled shell. The sensor resolution is decent at 20.3 MP, and because it's a micro four thirds camera, it has one of the widest lens catalogs on the market. It might not grab headlines, but the Mark IV is a fantastic first camera for beginners. At number 4. Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10 comfortably eclipses contemporary smartphones. Equipped with a speedy Digic-X processor, this mirrorless model benefits from the latest autofocus abilities. Together, those skills mean it's fast enough to capture fleeting action, which you can't say of every beginner camera. What's more, the lightweight chassis is comfortably familiar even for novices, with an articulating touchscreen offering useful accessibility. A lack of in-body image stabilization does limit the R10's abilities after dark, but image quality is decent enough, with plenty of detail to pull out of the shadows. So it's not a revolutionary model, but its specs and control setup put the R10 top of our list for beginners. Here's hoping Canon adds more native APS-C lenses to sweeten the deal. At number 5. Nikon Z5. While crop sensor cameras are typically more suitable for beginners due to their price and system size, affordable full-frame models do exist for those who want the benefits of larger sensors, like superior low-light performance. Right now, the Nikon Z5 is the best of that bunch. It ticks a lot of boxes, including a weather-sealed body featuring a big grip that feels comfortable in the hand, plus an intuitive control layout. A 3-inch tilting touchscreen also makes navigating menus a cinch. In our tests, the 24.2 MP full-frame sensor served up lovely images in a range of shooting scenarios, with the large, bright EVF being particularly useful for framing shots in all kinds of conditions. While its autofocus system is no longer cutting-edge, its 273-point setup still works well for both static and moving subjects. Naturally, there are compromises. Its 4.54 seps burst shooting speed is underwhelming, which means sports and action photographers should look elsewhere, as should video shooters. You'll also need to factor in the cost of full-frame lenses. But if none of those are deal breakers, the Nikon Z5 has become a great entry-level option for those looking to go full frame. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, I'll see you later.